Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'll be reviewing this wireless microphone I picked up on Amazon. So let's open this one. Okay, so this one says it's plug and play, 65 feet recording range, precise radio, clear timbre, highly sensitive, and widely compatible. So let's see what's in the box. So in the box, you will have the two microphones. You will have the cable to charge it, and also you will have the receiver. This is the Lightning version for my iPhone Pro. Okay, so and it also has the clips that attaches to the microphone, and of course they have an extra one, and that's it. And also some documentation on how to set it up. Simple, right? So let's take one out. This is the wind protector. You can use it with or without it. So put it back on. Put this in here. All you have to do is just slide it, again like that. And that's it. This is how we're gonna attach it here. It goes like that. Let's see on my shirt. Like this. Right now I'm using my lapel mic to record it, but then once I have it all set up, we're gonna switch to the iPhone. But this is just a review of the product. So it has a USB-C connector for you to charge it, and you're gonna use the cable that came with. I hope it has a charge. Let me peel this off. Look at that, look at that. Ew. Okay, I'm gonna turn it on. It has a power button right here. Power button, turn it on. And then here the light is blinking. I guess it's looking for a pairing. And here is the receiver. There's no power button or anything, but I'm going to plug this into my iPhone. So let's see. My iPhone is here. Oh, it fit perfectly. So it detected it. So now it looks like it's paired with my phone. See, it's paired. So that is good. Now I'm going to record something and see how it sounds. Now I'm going to switch from this microphone. Now I'm going to be testing the Maybesta wireless phone right here. The audio that you're hearing is straight from the iPhone camera. So I'm going to connect it to my phone now. And it's on. So I hope it's picking up. So now it looks like it's paired with this microphone. So I'm gonna try like that. 1 2 3 testing, 1 2 3 testing. I'm not sure if the noise cancellation feature is on. So right now there is the humidifier on, so I'm not sure if you're gonna hear it, but that will be a great test. Okay, 1 2 3 testing. I'm going to mute myself by pressing on the button in the back. So now I am back on. I was muted before, testing to see if the mute button was working. So it looks like it's working. Now I'm gonna attach it to my jacket. It's supposed to look something like this. Okay, so 1 2 3 testing, 1 2 3 testing. This is the Maybesta wireless microphone. 1 2 3 testing, 1 2 3 testing. This is a video update to the video you just saw. Unfortunately, I had to return the Maybesta dual wireless microphone. For some reason, it stopped working after this recording. The audio was clipping, it was too hot, or the sound was too high. Regardless of the position of the microphone, whether it was close to my mouth, mid-range or lower range, regardless of the phone that I used, I tested it on an Android and also on my iPhone 12 Pro, and it was still clipping and it was distorted. So for that reason, I had to return it. So based on my experience, I cannot recommend this product to anyone out there. Perhaps, yes, it worked for other content creators, but for me, it did not work. And for that, I am not recommending this product. Thank you for watching and be well.